I sometimes crave a dessert when all I want is a beer. But what if I could have my dessert while I drink my beer? Enter the Peanut Butter Milk Stout from California's Belching Beaver. While a number of brewers have their own version of the drink, it was Belching Beaver who perfectly executed the idea, the delicate marriage between peanut butter cup and milk stout, wrapped like a Valentine's gift in an easy drinking package, making it a great option when you're chasing beaver. I owe my gratitude to one of my subscribers who purchased me a six-pack while I was in California, as the $12 I saved made the difference between skipping lunch and indulging in a #1 combo from In-N-Out Burger.